Look, see if we can get a close look at Mama here with all her babies. I don't know how this does. See, oh, there went one off there right there. I don't think I can get very close. She's pretty. You see one? You see them falling off right there? Look at all of them. Look at all them babies. Looks like a wolf spider or a. I think it's a wolf spider. Certainly not a brown recluse. So look at all the babies falling off. They're just all over. That's why sometimes you don't want to step on these things or kill them or smash them, because all the babies fall off. And you could probably get them all with a shop vac, but let them live. They ain't gonna hurt nothing. In fact, these are said to prey on brown recluses, so they're a good spider. As long as she stays out of my way, I'll stay out of hers.